This one is designed by a guy named Jerry Brouwer. He's from the Netherlands. He submitted this knife a couple years ago. What he wanted with this knife is a good everyday carry for all types of tasks. So when you slip it into the pocket, there's not going to be a lot dragging on your hand. You're going to be able to get in and out of your pocket easily without scraping up your hand. It's got a titanium Reeve integral lock, very strong, but it also has that stainless interface and that over travel stop for good wear and tear, and so that you don't overextend that lock. It's got your lanyard hole for an easy tie, a stamped clip. It's got the G10 front, so it's going to reduce the weight, give you good peel-ply grip on the front. Nice full flat. It's going to cut well. It's got a 4-finger choil. You can choke up on it. For an open back, very easy to clean. For a good everyday carry knife of this size and this caliber of production and quality, it's going to be tough to beat. So we're excited to work with Jerry Brouwer on his new collaboration.